This sheriff's deputy was sent on an unusual call, but it was nothing he couldn't handle. A baby alligator was trespassing at a residential pool in St. Augustine, Florida. The St. Johns County Sheriff's Office sent Deputy Richardson, who knew just what to do.
I got you. You're fine. You're Superman.
The little gator resisted arrest as much as it could, but it was no match for this hometown deputy, who showed no fear during the whole incident, impressing the homeowners.
You go! Wow! Obviously, you grew up here.
The deputy told the homeowners he was going to drive the gator to a nearby pond and set it free, but not without practicing an important safety measure. Buckling up.